Hi everyone, this is the SteakCuts all steel boat ladder entry for your boat trailer. And first impression, this thing is heavy duty. This is all 1/4 inch steel on everything. You have rubberized pads that for foot placement. You also have a very heavy duty entry pole for grabbing onto that and helping you aid you to get into the boat. Like I said, this thing is heavy duty. The job they did on this is high quality. Very impressed. All right, so I've got my boat trailer here. So you need to decide on which side you're going to install the unit on. The jack is on the driver's side of the tow vehicle, and the passenger side is clear. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the passenger side since there isn't any obstructions here, and this is the most likely entry into the boat anyway that we always use. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing positioned and get it ready to install. All right, so the mounting plate comes with different position holes in it. You're going to have different sized holes for the frame on the individual trailer that you're putting it on. I'm going to go ahead, since I've got a 2x4 frame here, I'm going to use the first 2 holes right here. I'm going to go ahead and mount the bottom step to that. I'm going to go ahead and get the nuts and washers on that, and then I'll just slide it into place. Now this thing is extremely heavy, like I said, very well built. But I definitely want to get that done first so I don't have to hold everything in place while I'm trying to bolt it. So I'll just go ahead and pre-assemble these first 2. And that'll hold that in place while you assemble the rest of it. Okay, now that I've got my base step done and the base is mounted, I've got this set on loosely right now so I can adjust it accordingly to where the boat is. I'll go ahead and assemble the steps and the grab rail. Now that everything's installed, I've got the grab rail and all the steps. Those are tight. I left the bottom base a little bit loose so I can move it around. What you want to pay attention to is when you bring your boat onto your trailer and you moor it, secure it, you want to make sure you have plenty of space in between this upper step and the boat. You want to make sure that you don't bring it in so close that it's going to end up gouging or scratching your boat surface. So I'm going to go ahead and probably scoot mine out just a hair more, not much, and I think I'm going to be good there. This step was very easy to install. 2 bolts on the steps, 2 bolts on the handle, and then 4 bolts on the mounting plate down on the trailer itself. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this and then we'll try it out. Super excited about this. This is nice and heavy duty, what you would really want to have on your trailer. You just walk straight on. That's it. Alright, so there you have it. We want to thank SteakCuts for sending this ladder to us for our boat. Will give us many years of use. I did want to mention this is 100% powder coated except for the bolts. This is meant to last you a lifetime for your boat trailer and your boat. So if you're looking for a ladder for your boat trailer, I would definitely suggest SteakCuts.